Okay, so today I'm prepping for the 21-day fix, and I'm going to show you how to make a really easy, yummy breakfast, mango almond refrigerator oatmeal. So first, you take some old-fashioned rolled oats, and it's a 1/4 cup, but the yellow container is a 1/2 cup, so we're going to use a 1/2 of a yellow container. And try not to make too much of a mess as it goes all over the place. So, a little bit more. That's about a 1/4 cup. So a 1/4 cup of the oatmeal goes in there. And then we need a 1/3 of a cup of fat-free skim or 1% milk. So we got our 1/3 of a cup here. A couple of extra oats in there. And that goes in the cup. And then we need a 1/4 cup of low-fat Greek yogurt. And I just spilled my chia seeds, so that's good. But again, the yellow container, 1/2 a yellow container. That's a little bit much. Into the jar. Alright, well, I'm just making a mess all over the place, but you guys get the idea. And next we don't need that spoon anymore, our chia seeds that we spilled. We need 1.5 teaspoons of chia seeds. 1.5. And if I figured out correctly, the chia seeds should be an orange container, but it's such a small amount. It's like 1/16 of an orange container. So we're definitely still using the teaspoons for that. And then you have your almond extract, and just like a teeny tiny bit, just a drop or so of the almond extract. And then we're going to put the lid on the container and just shake it up. This, by the way, is a mason jar. You can get these totally cheap. A lot of places, grocery store, craft store. And then time for our mango. I'm still dropping stuff all over the place. Sorry guys. So the mango is a 1/4 cup. Since our yellow cup is dirty, we'll use the purple cup because that's actually the cup that it goes in anyways. And so 1/4 cup is a 1/4 of the purple cup since it's 1 cup. So we got our diced mango, and that goes. And we'll put that lid on again. Give it a good shake. And there you have it. And then, well, alright, there you go. And then you just put that in the refrigerator overnight. And if I did my calculations right, that should be 1 yellow, a 1/3 of a red, a 1/4 of a purple, and like 1/6 of an orange. So, enjoy. Enjoy.